Hello everyone, Hanif here from Cloud Automation. In this video, I'm going to go over Ansible, one of the key tools you might want to have in your DevOps toolset. What is Ansible? Ansible is an open source IT automation tool for software provisioning, configuration management, and application deployment. It is similar to Chef and Puppet. Now, what all that means? If you have few servers, that will be pretty easy to maintain. What if you need to push a security patch or a version update to 100 to 150 servers? That's where Ansible comes in handy. If you have repetitive tasks, Ansible can be your best buddy. If you have to do similar tasks over and over, the best way to go about is to automate it. Or if your IT environments are too complex and need to scale quickly, automation simplifies these complex tasks. It saves time, increases productivity. Now the question is, why Ansible? There are many configuration management tools out there, such as Chef and Puppet, but the main reason for Ansible's popularity is simplicity. It's open source, so it's free. Easy to set up and use, no special coding skills needed. It uses YAML, a human-readable data serialization language. Here is an example of Ansible playbook. Let me bring up my browser. I am at the official Ansible website. If you go to the documentation, and then you will see they have different examples. Here is the example of playbook. As you can see, it is pretty easy to read and to follow along. Ansible is agentless. Configuration management tools such as Chef, Puppet, you have to install an agent on every system you want to manage. Ansible just requires that system have Python and SSH. You can automate traditional bare metal servers, virtualization platforms, cloud. Some example of systems and devices you can automate: databases, storage devices, networks, firewalls, and much more. Now we are going to look at some of the features of Ansible. You can use Ansible to automate various types of tasks. Provisioning, set up the various servers you need in your infrastructure. With Ansible, you can provision cloud platforms, bare metal servers, virtualized hosts, network devices. On configuration management, some examples: install or update applications, change the configuration of application, OS, or device, start and stop services, install security patches or implement a security policy, perform other configuration tasks. On application deployment side, Ansible lets you quickly and easily deploy apps. You don't need to write custom code to automate your systems. Ansible works as master or control machine and clients or remote host. In other words, you basically run a play or some commands from your master or control machine, and Ansible takes care of the rest by communicating via SSH with the remote host and running all the commands. It will be biased if I don't mention some of the disadvantages of Ansible. YAML is not as powerful as most other languages, such as Ruby used by some of the other configuration management tools. SSH communications are slow, which may cause more downtime. Compared to other tools, limited features like monitoring API availability. However, don't give up on Ansible though. Ansible is a great tool for many automation tasks. Every tool has its limitations. Check out their website, ansible.com, and you will find a ton of information there. That's it for this video. If you want to get some hands-on experience with Ansible, check out my other video on how to set up and configure Ansible on Linux EC2. I will have the link in the descriptions section. Thanks for watching. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notifications for new videos. It will help with the YouTube algorithm for my channel. Happy learning.